the 52nd annual Oktoberfest. Oh, Lukey's some crab. Hey guys, so we are here at the Oregon coast today. We are meeting up with family. Micah is airing the tires down. His brother is here from Arizona and he is hiking at the Cape, which is just that way. Jeez. We got Lukey in the back seat here. Lukey, what are you doing? Hey. Hey Lukey. Did we make it to the beach? Lukey, are you being camera shy? Hey. Hi. Hey. What are you doing? Are you being shy? Oh. That is the Cape where his brother and nephew are hiking. There is a lot of people here, some hang gliding happening. Very gorgeous day. Fun seeing the waves splash on the rocks over there. We're gonna hit the hill climb here. What's out there? Is that the beach? Oh, beach, huh? Oh. Yeah, you excited to play in the sand? Can you say beach, Lukey? Beach? That's the beach. Whoa. Yeah, the water. Lukey's some crab. You having crab, buddy? More. We'll get more. Yeah. Lukey's about to try his first plum.
Plum, Lukey.
He's like, where'd that bug go? It was just a bug in here.
Bite it. Bite it. There you go. You like that?
Yummy, huh? Give me more.
Another.
Ooh, yeah, the plums are out there. I spy Micah. Hey everyone, we are here at the 52nd annual Oktoberfest in Mount Angel. We have been chatting with a ton of people we know, and Lukey, what he wants to eat more food, so we're gonna go find some of our favorites.
No boy.
This is an event where they are celebrating the German and Bavarian culture. This is a monument and it is artwork all made out of grains. Just above there is the glockenspiel. There are all kinds of chalet booths with tons of different food from the local community here. This is an absolute must-have when we are here. This is a doughboy. Lukey. Here, buddy. He's all nom nom. You gonna eat that?
You gonna try it, guy?
And here's yours. And mine. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think Lukey liked his. These flower headbands are extremely popular for the girls to wear. The dried flowers and ribbons. So pretty. I like the sparkles on the ribbons.